Hello guys, so in the last video we were unboxing custom Datsun 240Z, but in this video we're going to unboxing super treasure hunt boombox. Oh damn, it looks so nice. You can see the symbol down the car just a little bit, and this car is going on the eBay for 40 bucks, so I bought it and we can open it now. So, but it's so nice in the box. But okay, so, oh, she doesn't want to get out. Oh, damn. It feels really nice in the hand. And yeah, let's get focused. It's really cool. It looks so much better and it's open than in the box, so yeah, it's so cool. But and as you've seen, is the real riders when it's treasure hunt, so it's funny but it looks gorgeous. And as you can see, we got some specialties down here. This is the pace engasser and gold 67 camera, and some Christmas 67 custom Mustang. So maybe there will be some video where we open this one, and I hope you enjoyed. I see we got a little error right in the middle. It looked like someone scratched the car. On the side too, maybe it is okay. So hey guys, I hope we will see in the next episode, and see you next. Bye.